I wanted this a data it a data give problem. My data give
But
problem right now.
you've been online all day, haven't you? And yesterday, and like, so has your internet been lagging all day?
When you add people to the box or so it lag, or even if you play a match it lag. So I not really play a match or like add the people them, so it lag when like somebody company. They red, and if you wanna operate and so me I want so phone I give problem, you
Okay,
see.
don't
For
worry
real, ask
yourself.
the people, me not telling a lie.
Don't worry yourself. Listen, all you have to do is follow the instructions of the lady. When I just spoke to the person, they told me that there were a few things they already told you. And that you didn't really, seem to want to do things their way. You kind of want to do things your way. So I was asking you,
No,
are you ready to wake up in the freezing cold every morning and take your ass to school when you get to wherever you going? Spangy said the gifts in my watch. Yeah. And I'm still
and they
not
give me
answering
a
the
watch with
question.
the summer keep
What?
it's something to keep a gut red or something, so
Landale,
I want better for myself.
let me text it in the box. Let me text it. So, let me text it because that's where you want. That's where your attention is at. Let me start just texting it. Hey, Landale, are you ready to wake your ass up in the freezing cool every pussy clot day. Okay. Can you pin my comment, please, Londi? Lond, boo boo. Thank you, please. Pin my comment for me, babe,
It
please.
can't pay while somebody in the box.
Okay, read out the comment. Yeah. See, you
It
got that?
can't pin, you know.
No, read. I said
Well,
read
me
it.
I look, me not see come up here.
Now you can't see the comment either? Huh?
Me not see no comment. Them say no comment came through.
May I
No
go write
comment
it
came
one more
through.
time? Yeah? May I go write it one more
Not see the
time? Yeah?
comment.
May I go write it again? And then I'm
Me
gonna
not see
show you
comment. But me,
then I'm gonna show you the other side of me. Hold on. Dear
yeah.
Landale.
No,
Dear
the comment
Landale.
the comment filter. The
Look,
comment filter.
Dear Landale. Do you see that one right there? Do you see the thing that says Dear Landale?
No, me not see it.
No, but you're hearing everything I say about the comments, though.
No,
But when
them
I
I
was
say
asking you
no
about
to.
school, you wasn't hearing me.
It's filtered, live filter. Oh God.
So, Londell, you just had a full conversation with me about whether or not you could see the comments. Yet, every time I ask you if you're willing to get up every day in the freezing cold and take your ass to school, you haven't been able to understand that question or hear that question. Huh?
Yes, I am ready and I'm willing. I am ready and I'm willing, Miss Nicki.
No. So this whole time you've been
I'm
ignoring
ready.
me. Boy, good night. Goodbye, Londell.
No, me never did I ignore her. I never that ignore. I just say keep a freeze and something. It keep a freeze. I don't feel like a joke. No when me go wrong in a life is sad so. It did a freeze with you. It a freeze with you. It's still a freeze. I don't feel like a lie. I just alive where Ghana because of it a freeze real. It a freeze real. It did a freeze real. The whole and that wish me downfall. The whole and that wish me downfall. The whole and that wish me downfall. Fi nothing no work out for me. The whole and that wish she downfall. Fi nothing no work out for me. Wanda, you whole and that pray for it them. If someone can call her, it a call. It not call her. So where cool and come in my box? I never want come in my box all along. It never did I work for you. I seriously don't know why I don't feel like a lie. I don't know why I don't feel like a lie. Never did I work for real. Once I choose to call me no. My God, yeah. God, yeah. Me never die here for real. My God, yeah. Never die here for real. Well, I no can say go celebrate you now.